Hey, Star Power Rock Stars. This is Michael Treadhart. I want to tell you a little bit about the Google coaching that is available to you as part of the Star Power coaching program. That is a four-part series with me where we sit down, we set up a 1-3-5, which is a one goal, three priorities, five action step plan on how you succeed with Google. So it's more than just my Google business profile. It's everything that you can do with Google, primarily, most of which is completely free, but it's how you set it up effectively and how to build and grow your business. And I've had real estate agents who have done this and teams that have done this, and they've easily added an extra $300,000 to $400,000 a year to their bottom line year over year with these tools. This is definitely a session that you can attend with not only yourself, but your team, or you can have your team lead it. If you're the rainmaker and you want to be focused on the 20% of your business, but you want to have your team go in and understand how to set this up, by all means, you can have whoever you want from your team on these sessions. They are recorded, and we're going to show you step by step how to truly go in and change your business for the better with Google. So I hope to see you very soon in the coaching sessions for Become Google Great. Thanks.